Number
Okay.
one.
Number one, C.
Excellent.
Wait, I closed the file on accident. Wait, let me open it. Okay. Number two is A.
Number two, I think we need to read again.
Okay.
Well,
I think it's B, sir.
so letter B is correct.
Okay.
Curtain. Do you know curtain? Just like it's from the word curtain. If you curtain something, you cover it. You try to hide it. You try to reduce it. So they wanted to reduce investment. You know it.
Yeah.
That is contribute to shrinkage in the overall economy. People cannot spend. Because if they spend a lot, they need demand a lot. How can you make it available? Right. Number three.
Number three, I chose C.
It must be read again.
Number A.
Letter A.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Oh,
Then it's D, sir. It has to be. I read it like 3 times, sir.
no, no, follow the rules. Here, adjectives. What does it describe? We describe noun. So this could describe the system of musical notation. So the tone, use the tone of the text, positive or negative. He said here, the more what make impossible to record, to reproduce with a high degree, so it's a positive.
Yeah.
How to make it negative? Inadequate means not sufficient, not qualified. Job, yes, means it's a common word. Means, let me make it easier to you. Means like you doubt something, doubtful, unreliable, dishonest, not frank. But how? It's a positive. So it is wrong. Rudimentary means basic, simple, not developed, undeveloped. But how? He said here, record or reproduce. So how it's simple? So weak answer, but elaborate. And what means elaborate? Means here detailed. It has a lot of details. It's wonderful. It has a high degree of sophistication, developed. This is what has a lot of meaning. And here it's correct. That's why.
Mm.
How did you know? He said here, over the next several centuries, written notation evolved. This means became stronger. So no A, because A means basic, not developed. But he said evolved over the years, over the world. Yes or no? That's why. So follows the rules. If we test it for adjective, find the noun or pronoun. The same in number 4. It's an adjective. What does it describe? What's your answer?
Sir wrote A.
Letter A? No.
Oh. D.
Resistant to? No. Follows
What?
adjective. What does it describe? Let's try.
Yes, sir. B. Detrimental to.
Detrimental, it's a common word means harmful. How? How described as harmful?
Sir, it can be anything but consistent because how is it related?
Well, that is consistent is correct.
Oh man.
Yeah, they found half of them consistent with the horse riding back. And he gives examples, such as compression of the vertebrae, thick spots in eye. So consistent or not consistent. The word consistent means it means in record with, means match something related to, in matching, consistent, match to. That's why. Even though here he said related, he said related to, he said related because he gives examples already. And they found half of them show the signs, so they share signs. Resisted means opposite. He didn't mention the signs are harmful related to context.
Yeah.
Something else. A group of people from a rapidly expanded, you know, that means it is consistent, not consistent. Why not you do the best? Number 5.
Yeah. Okay. Number 5, I chose C.
Incorrect.
Number six, D. What's sir?
Read again very quick.
Okay. B.
Why not to be A?
Stalking. So
And
stalking is a noun, right?
yeah, it means inciting or increasing.
Mm,
Look, we have common. We need verb. So all of them verb.
yeah.
So the problem could be the definition of the words for you. But allay just like fears of, the fear of the depression. Do you
Yeah.
see? So just like when you alleviate something to make it less severe, but it does not make sense here.
Yeah.
How alleviate the fears of, but increasing it, because you said had a severe economic impact. So what is the consequence? Must be something negative. So we be opposite. And what means a contest? Contest, like contest competition. So it means disputed. How
Yeah.
disputed here? Disputed the fears does not make sense. But what means letter D? Defer. And what means? It means to postpone, to delay something. Are
Yeah.
we talking about delaying here? No, but that means does not make sense. So stock here means just to increase fears. Good job.
Number seven, B.
Number 10 B, product.
Yeah. Okay.
Good job.
Number eight, C.
Number 8 C. No, my dear. Let's try.
D, sir.
You are asking, but it's D correct. But
Okay.
you need to know why. So contingent common word in academic language means dependent, to depend on something. So dependent on something. So this is means here the celestial navigation relied on clear sky and the visible stars. Look, one of the most significant drawbacks of celestial navigation was its dependent nature, because technique dependent, look, heavily, so dependent heavily means dependent. But wait, why is wrong? Because inherent, it's a common word, means intrinsic, inborn, in it, inside. But we're not talking about that. Feel it does not relate the context to describe nature. Remember nature of navigation, as he said. So no A. Versatile or versatile means adaptable. It's able to perform various functions, you know, but it does not talk about and it's opposite because it's drawback for how
Yeah.
it has a lot of features. Ephemeral, it's a common word in tests, means something has short life, short-lived action, fleeting, you know, but it does not make sense. The nature has short time, or feel it.
Yeah.
So your job is to search for the word and study more and read more. You will find all of these words, but search for the meaning first. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the writer can help you look evolved from relying on methods such as here. He repeated again because he gave you definition, cause and effect. That's why.
Yeah.
Do you remember mitigate? To make something less severe, to mitigate this issue, to solve it, to make it less severe by employing satellite technology, which is providing consistent and accurate location. Look, consistent, look again. It's an adjective to location information. Good job. You did your best. Number 9.
Number 9A.
9, it must be letter no. It's 8.
No.
How? Let's prove together why C correct. He said he believes he's able to deceive others. Do you have something like that? Yes. Look, an agreeable companion because he understands flattery. You know flattery? Like when
Yeah.
you deceive people by good words. This could be. What else could be evidence? Look, while all the world perceive understand his wants, he fancies them concealed from every eye. He hides them. That means he feels that he can deceive. But we don't have any evidence about A or B or D.
Yeah.
That means we have something for deceiving. So perhaps it is the meaning of the word for union. That's why.
Yes.
Now what is the next? 10.
10, I chose C.
But 10 we need to read again. So what is argument?
So can you help me with this one?
Now let's do it together. Always find the argument. And what is the argument? The main idea. And what is it? So find the person to know more. He said posits. It means it proves, explain. So the argument must be here. The depiction of advancement, communication technology in, and then explanation significantly influenced the development of real world personal communication. Like, let's go to the answers. Letter A, the director consulted with engineers to ensure film's technological depiction was possible or not. That's it. That's the depiction of advanced communication influence? No. So not related to the argument. So the problem is, what is the argument in letter B? Many scientists and engineers who developed, look, personal communication devices and have cited this one a source related, look, a source of inspiration, influence the development of real life. But wait, the film was popular among audiences The argument is not about audiences perceive it or understand it or not, or is it acclaimed critically or not. So, inventive idea not mentions text. And all the text didn't mention audiences at all. We're not talking about the response of audiences or watchers. Other scientists' films before, we're not talking about other films, about this one only. So why you add other ones? Delete. That's why. Catch it?
Yeah.
That is the point. Remember about the question support means we need evidence related to the point. If I tell you I am sick, what proves it? I'm going to the hospital now. I'm still bed, taking medicine. I can't move. I can't talk.
Yeah.
That's why. So always the question, what does it mean? The harder part is this one to complete, but the writer help you consequently based on something the study suggests. So based on what we need the cause. So your job is to find the cause. Look, reveal that. So your answer is here. So based on this fact, what could we conclude? If you found in the not mention the text, delete it. Now, what is your answer?
C?
11C. No, let's read again.
Okay.
So did you find the cause?
No, sir.
Here, both the groups showed a decrease, as I said, while. So as I told you, when you find the while, although, or but, focus on the idea after. While both the groups, oh, what happened? The coffee group also exhibited increased activity. Both of them showed decrease in activity. But even though while showed exhibited increased activity in brain areas, attention, focus, short-term memory. So,
Yeah.
so now what could we conclude? We conclude something related to the study. Let's prove the effects of caffeine are more pronounced in those who drink coffee regularly. Is it based on this part? Is this the conclusion of the study? No. Caffeine has a stronger impact on the brain. Look, content. When consumed in hot water, yes, because he mentioned here, we're giving people in hot water. So related to, but wait, the participants who drank coffee had a higher tolerance. Did we mention that they have tolerance or desire to caffeine or something? The study didn't mention the participants or their desire. So the problem is to complete, find any transition words that help you. Coffee contains compounds other than, did he mention that we add other compounds? He had only caffeine. So this means drug. That's why. The previous one mentions the brain region. This is keywords can help you. If you would like to check the hot water or not, go to check. You already have it. As I said, other consumed a solution of caffeine on hot water. That's one. But remember, do not over consume coffee until you consult your doctor because it forces the brain to work. But I think we have different kinds of coffees can help you when it's necessary, when it needs. Take care of your brain. Now the next, the question that you love.
Okay, for 12, I chose C.
You make it C, but it's A.
Uh,
Illustrate, explain the claim. What is the claim? Insist. So your claim is here. His thoughts are more vivid than in other real sights. It's no. When most eyes I wink, then do mine eyes best look see. For all because all the day what they view things unrespected.
Hmm.
If that is insist, yes. Then another one, is correct. So letter A.
Yeah.
Number 13.
Number 13, C.
13, it's letter C, yes.
Very good.
Even though it was hard, but you did correct. That means the time if you're studying at home, you are inattentive, you are busy with something. Hot chocolate, drink a coffee. Number 14, it must be letter B. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah, chose C. Mm.
You make it okay. Number 15, it's letter B.
No.
Consequently, again, cause and effect. So
Yeah.
focus on the previous sentence from full stop to full stop. But why not? Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Number 16.
Number 16. I chose C too. Yeah.
17.
D.
Letter A.
Oh,
As I told you, title name. Why you are confused? Title name. No
oh,
comment. Here, compound between two things only. Don't need comments. Wrong. Title name. You know, title researcher, psychologist, artist, job. So we don't need. Feel it? If you,
yeah.
if you cannot prove it from here, prove it from there. Why do you want it to separate the subject from the verb by only one comma? It's not non-essential. So letter A.
Yeah.
Number 18.
Number 18. B.
No, it's letter C.
C.
Yeah, to
I always miss this column.
semicolon complete before and after. Complete sentence, whatever the sentence is. Look, here sentences. Subject verb.
But sir, how can I know if it's like a complete sentence or not?
Find subject and verb and they check the meaning. As I told
Okay,
you, find the
okay,
subject.
sir, I have a question. Okay, let's say there was like the same word, but after there is dot in the options. Um, is that one also correct?
No. To know,
Why?
to know, to know it's a sentence or not, you must find subject and verb and complete meaning. Find the subject and verb, delete the phrases, delete the relative clauses, delete the non-essential. If you found subject and verb complete meaning, it's a sentence. If it's not, it's a fragment. You remember the chapter fragment?
Yeah.
Here, find subject, find verb, and then check the meaning. It's
Yes,
invention,
sir.
invent, so it's a sentence. Look before, preposition, phrase, I delete, and this is the subject, then verb, and then phrase is delete. So check, we have subject, we have verb, and then meaning. So two complete sentences. Good job. Do we need comma only? Commas plus mistake. In fact, at the beginning of the second, you need full stop or semicolon before. Wrong. The same. Wrong.
Yep.
Remember, we test you for something you already read it in English. So when you read, check. Right?
Yes, sir.
We will revise this chapter next time, inshallah. Number 19, letter A.
Choose B. B.
You make it be wide separated. In what? Speech?
Actually, yes, it doesn't make sense when we put a comma.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah. I don't know why I do this like silly stuff.
Because here, just like about the common mistakes compound between two things, no comma is needed. So this is important, this means zero. Here, the comma don't need it. Because you repeat and. If you repeat and, don't use commas.
Yeah.
You repeat and for the list. Right?
Yes, sir.
Number 20, it must be letter B.
Sir, I chose B, yeah.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
21, it must be letter A.
21 chose D.
Because it's list, look, semicolon. It's a
Yeah.
list using semicolon. You mention, look, mention the person and then who, the person and then who. So list, but using semicolon. Between the semicolon, use commas. Look, we have comma between the semicolon there. So make it
Yes,
like that, semicolon person. So semicolon person. So you need semicolon here. Look, we don't